I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start now. Make sure your Tecno Spark Go 1 has at least 20% battery and close video or music apps so the system shows game options reliably. You open Settings and use the search field, type Game or Game Space, because some builds put it behind a different menu. If nothing appears, navigate to Apps and Notifications, then Special App Access. Manufacturers sometimes hide game space there. This gets you to the panel where you can enable the feature immediately and avoid confusion later. Once in game space, add the apps you want by tapping Add Games or Manage List. You must explicitly include each title so the system optimizes it. Turn the main game space or game mode toggle on. Next, enable performance mode or do not disturb to reduce interruptions and improve frame stability. Make sure to configure the floating toolbox and notification blocking for a cleaner screen, and pick any available resolution or refresh presets to balance battery versus smoothness for each. Now test by launching a game from inside game space so overlays and performance options activate. You should see the toolbox or do not disturb indicator. If you still get lag, reboot the phone, clear the specific game cache, and lower in-game graphics settings. These steps often fix stuttering. If game space is absent, make sure system updates are installed or check the manufacturer's companion app in Play Store. This final check ensures the mode runs reliably and gives one clear troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.